Hello everyone, welcome to LoharTalk, and in this video I will show you how you can declare a variable in the TypeScript. So in TypeScript we have two ways to declare a variable. First is using var keyword and second is using let keyword. So if you guys know the difference between var and let, if not, then I will tell you what is the difference between var and let. But first, let me tell you var is supported in all the modern browser, but let is not. So let is supported after the ES6 JavaScript version, which is not currently supported in all the browser. Let me just declare one function to show you what is the difference between var and let. So here I will declare one test function, and here I will log a number from 0 to 4 using for loop. So I will use 4, and here I will declare one variable using var keyword, and I will initialize it to 0 and let it look to 5 and I++, and I will log into console I, and here after the for loop I will just log the final value of I, and here I will just call this function. So save it and let's just go to command prompt. So here I'm going to compile this main.ts using tsc space main.ts, and let's just execute it using node command main.js. So here you can see at last we are getting the value of I. So basically it should be equal to undefined, but JavaScript doesn't support a block level scoping. So if you declare it using let keyword, here you can see TypeScript will show you some error that it cannot find a name I, and if you compile it, it will throw an error. So here you can see it's throwing error that cannot find I. If you use a var keyword, then it will scope to nearest function block, which is test for this example. And if you use a let one, it will provide a block level scoping. So here we are using a let keyword inside a for loop, so it will be valid only inside the for loop. So that is only difference between let and var. So in our upcoming video, we are only going to use let keyword. So that's it for this tutorial. So in next video, we will discuss what are the type of variables in TypeScript. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.